Hey, what is up, guys? This is King J Aries bringing you, bringing you the most high-tech quality videos. So there was a recent Windows update that I postponed for a few days. I finally went ahead and had it update and shut down right on my computer. So I woke up this morning to, turn it on, business as usual, and I noticed that I was having issues starting my Windows PC, right? It was stuck in that endless Windows logo, and then after restarting a certain amount of times, it would give me a prompt to reset my PC, restore, do a restore point, and a bunch of other things, right? And I kind of went through a bunch of lists, videos, articles, and I'm like, how do I get rid of this? What do I do? I went through every single step except resetting my computer because I didn't want to lose my app. So I was like, nope, this is too crazy. So then, lo and behold, I forgot that I did a video um, 2 years ago. Wow, time flies. And then you can also see that I have, the other articles I had there. Anyways, I did a video 2 years ago where it shows me kind of what to do. So my solution for this, and hopefully it helps you out because, Microsoft won't help you out, is to disconnect your cables. I'll see if I can move back here. Let me see if I can turn on the light. So first of all, let me go back a little bit. I have 3 monitors now. Those are the 2 that I used to use, or I still use them. I just have them there, and then my ultra wide. But basically, I guess they were stuck in a loop because the main monitor wouldn't load, so it would bounce in between monitors, right? Now, I'm not sure if this is correct or not, but I looked at my video and it mentioned to disconnect all the other displays, HDMI, DPs, whatnot, and then I held down the power button for 30 seconds and it turned off. So once it was turned off, I went ahead and connected my main monitor, which is this DP cable back here, and I left the other ones off. I went ahead and turned on the monitor, and then finally my main monitor went ahead and booted up. So everything seems to be going well now. I'll just go ahead and log in, and then I should be good to go. But basically, I just wanted to provide this video. You know me, whenever I have an issue and I find a solution, I try to help you out. But yeah, I'll be releasing a Call of Duty tips and tricks video today. But yeah, if any other issues happen or there's any other solutions, I'll put them in the comment section below. Likewise, please help out the viewers and put a comment down below as well. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Alright, so for those of you that stayed, here's a monitor working. I just have to adjust the display so that it uses the full screen. Go ahead and connect the other monitors just to show you that it works. Well, hopefully it works. Either way, we'll be right back. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, hopefully this helps you out as well. I'll go ahead and also link my previous video. That way you can also follow maybe some of those steps. Don't forget to also update any drivers, display adapters, basically all of that. It'll be linked down below, and it also shows you how to do that. See ya next time.